have a very, very busy evening today. Well, let's wind down the markets then. It was actually a bit of a down day, but as we pointed out earlier in the morning itself, 19,360, 19,370, that was the crucial support zone. Well, it held on to that level. For the Nifty Bank, well, it suddenly lost its way. It was showing some bit of fight in the trading session, but then it lost its way. And that stock, in fact, that index itself ended with a cut of around 100 points odd. The body was in the mid-cap space. The mid-cap index ended high with a gain of close to around 0.4%. Though in terms of advanced decline ratio, it was spat in the middle. Equal number of stocks advancing as well as declining. ONGC did well. Overnight, you had a bounce in crude oil prices, stronger demand, and weaker dollar. That's what boosted it. And ONGC was higher. Eicher Motors is slowly pulling back some of those losses that we saw in the past week. But this week itself, it's up 3.5%. Nestle India as well was up close to around 1%. On the flip side, UltraTech Cement was down 1%, Tata Motors was down close to around 1.5%, and Adani Enterprises as well, down 1.5%. But ladies, the mid-caps, that's where the action was. Tell us more.
Well, let's just see the closing rates on TCS and HCL Tech to understand the market reference once the numbers come out. TCS is closing in the red with a cut of 0.4%, but it recovered 1% from the day's low in the second half of the trading session, so some buying emerging. HCL Tech continues its weak run. Today, it's down close to about 0.5%, but in the last 5 trading sessions, the stock has seen a fall from levels of 1,200 now down to 1,100. A quick run through of some of the big movers in the mid-cap space that we had. Zentech is one which stands out, so that should deserves mention. BSE 8.5% higher. You've had strength in Amara Raja, Lupin, where there was some positive news on the regulatory front. Balkrishna Industry higher in trade, HDFC, AMC. Across sectors, there was buying, but Delta Corp, right?
23%.
23%, very large volumes.
Absolutely, and that's the one. I mean, stock of the day for the wrong reasons, thanks to the GST developments. Nazara, not that bad, 3% lower on Nazara as well. But barring, these two big headlines on the downside, the mid-cap market continued to have serious momentum. There's so many stocks. Look at Mankind Pharma, 9% up, Paytm 6%. Some of the stocks like Genus Power that Nigel was pointing out on the smart metering side, very, very strong moves on these stocks. But on the Nifty, I guess it's very, very clear that 19,500 now we can safely say is a resistance. 5-6 trading sessions, the market has been grappling with that level. It has either intraday gone there and then fallen off, and today has been a sort of decisive climb down. In fact, we're probably getting a close below the 19,400 mark as well on the adjusted basis. So there goes the bell, cut of around 55 points on the Nifty, but the mid-cap party continues absolutely uninterrupted. Okay, well, on that note, we will get into a quick break right now. It is a wrap from the entire Closing Bell team. Many thanks for being with us, but don't go anywhere because our Wednesday special, Mad About Markets, coming up next.